Sometimes I see some things me have to just shake my head now. Wagwan, welcome back to Sandy and Bones TV. One of the pan. Yo, come across that video and I see the man who say my police will come to serve and protect you. See, I deal with a citizen that way. I don't know what kind of brother that man they be if he's a criminal or you don't know it's a hard step or what, but I don't think a police officer should have come and deal with a man so in this farmer way and them squad them did they say, you know, it's a regular thing where them deal with get a youth on the street. And I been when I see them type video, you know. But yo, it's them master police boy, yeah. Them a go around and I deal with some terrible things in the street, man, I tell you. So this is just how it's like one video where you see, but them a deal with a juvenile, you see me? Yeah, man. Yo, I don't think I have nothing much to say about them now. And nobody act surprised when them see them police say, I go on. And I deal with people so far. Them regular stuff, man. So forward and check it out and see what happens. Big up on yourself. Remember to like, comment and share and subscribe. Just comment when you think about the video.
What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me?
What you say about it?
Tell a friend and say, anytime you're enter me, all you know what you dead. You understand? You understand? Any idiot. Any idiot.
Yeah, come here. Come here. I don't understand this.
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV, cause I just a blessing, manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyaka, scatter.